taking behind the scenes on how we shot this video on an iPhone using the Life Lapse app for Drink Wize's new sparkling mango iced tea. Life Lapse is available on both iOS and Android devices. Before you get started capturing your photos, be sure to switch your phone's auto lock to never so it doesn't switch off while you're capturing your photos. To start a new project within Life Lapse, press the big blue plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Before you get started, be sure to lock your exposure, white balance and focus. If your scene is empty to begin with, you can put an item on the scene just to have something to lock your focus on, and then you can remove it before you get started. We used a Bluetooth remote to capture the photos, and we had our phone volume turned up so we can hear each photo being taken. We start by sliding in a table runner, taking a photo between each movement. Next up, we're adding in a dip bowl platter combo to the scene. Once it's placed where we want it, we start adding in the dip, bit by bit taking a photo between each movement. We're now adding in the cut veggies in a clockwise motion, and we predetermined which ones would go first before we started filming. This stop motion took 17 minutes to shoot and edit. It has 93 photos in it. More snacks arrive on the scene at the same time, which adds a bit more dimension to the stop motion versus doing each of them one by one. Lastly, we're adding in our hero subject, the sparkling mango iced tea, in a few different ways. Firstly, we're sliding in a can of it. We're then adding in a glass, which we're adding ice to, and then we're pouring in some of that tea bit by bit. We roll in a couple of cans of the iced tea, and we're also sliding in one can just to wrap up the stop motion. Once you have all of your photos done, you can open the in-app editor to do any editing that you wish to do. For this one, we increased our brightness, saturation, and decreased the warmth of the video. Via the timeline, we're adding in a freeze effect to the final frame. And lastly, we're speeding up the video. Once you've done any editing that you wish to do, you can save your video by clicking on the download video button in the top right hand corner of your screen. And here's a reminder of the final result.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this free tutorial and you want a chance to win $100 to Amazon, which is, by the way, where we buy most of our stop motion gear, please leave us a review in the Apple App Store sharing what you love most about Life Lapse. These reviews help us out a lot, and we select a winner each month to get $100 USD to Amazon. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, search Life Lapse, scroll down, and then click write a review. Share what you love most about Life Lapse, screenshot it, and then DM it to us on Instagram. This will take you no longer than a minute. You'll be helping us out a ton, and you'll have a chance to win $100. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to know when we release new stop motion tutorials.